Our A-frame in northern Michigan is officially ours.
What an A-frame.
But now the real work of turning our dream into a reality begins. And even though we can hardly contain our excitement, we make one of the biggest and scariest changes yet. Continuing some demo today. Got a lot of the carpet ripped up, a lot of the flooring ripped up. Dell's in here getting up a lot of the trim and such. Making progress. I'm gonna start working on the stairs here. All this carpet, tearing that up, and then all the carpet in the second level. Just continuing the demo. Removing old carpet is never fun, but being able to throw it out of a second-story window made it a little better. And despite being 20 weeks pregnant, Hunter still took part in some of the demolition. A few weeks later, we had our first snowfall at the A-frame. And when the questioning and self-doubt of our decision starts to creep in, this spot drowns out all of that noise. All right, so yesterday I got a lot of the drywall out of this area. This is the addition in the A-frame. So I got a lot of this done. It's looking better. I'll show you. Bedroom is stripped down to the studs. That was the closet there. We're gonna probably turn that into like a reading nook. And then, yeah, got this all. Still need to do this, and I'm working on the bathroom today. So demo is coming along. I did kind of cut into the ceiling here, and a structural engineer is gonna come out next week to look at it and come up with a plan to vault these two, or remove these two beams so that we can vault the ceiling. So see how that goes, then probably get these cabinets, everything out of here, and then yeah, just kind of prep and clean and start determining. We have an idea of our layout, but there's a couple of things kind of pending. That's the other thing. We got to get a plumber here just to kind of look at some things too. Yeah, got a lot done yesterday, but still a lot more to go. A few weeks later, the roofer started to take the shingles off in prep for our new roof. Meanwhile, Hunter started to draw the new layout and tend to the burn pile.
Hi.
What was it?
Why are you right there?
Huh?
So why are you right there?
Yeah, I was about to do an interview. Hey guys, it's been a minute since we've done like an A-frame update or interview or anything like that. They're starting to put the roof on, which looks really cool. I don't want to show too much of that until it's done, but I took a bunch of before shots and some transition stuff so we can do some cool posts there. Almost all of the demo work is done on the A-frame. We finally got our building permit yesterday. So yeah, I've been really busy just doing all the demo. So all of the kitchen is gone here. I'm sure I'll show some time lapses and everything. I pulled up the original hardwood floor just because it was in such rough shape, and I got new 3/4 inch plywood down. So that feels good that everything is nice and flat. So when we lay down the new floor, it'll be much easier. You can see I got all the new 2x4s to frame out the bedrooms, which we kind of have on the floor right there. There will be a bedroom there, and then a new bathroom right there. We should probably do a separate video on the new layout, huh? We'll do a video on the new layout to bring you guys through. But yeah, basically the demo is done. Most of the demo is done. We're gonna start framing the walls, and we had a structural engineer come to look at vaulting the ceiling where there's currently 2 bedrooms. So in the upper level of this, there's 2 bedrooms. We wanted to vault the living room ceiling, which you can see we've started to do. Got the go ahead on that, and that's gonna be my project today. This is kind of the last piece of the demolition. We have to put a new 2x8 between the current 2x8 rafters, so kind of pack those studs all the way up 25 feet, and then get rid of these 2x6s, and then the floor. Once we have that done, the demolition's pretty much done, and then we'll frame out the new walls, get our electrical and plumbing rough in, and then, yeah, drywall and kind of some finished stuff after that. So it's progress. Board by board, the A-frame started to turn out into what we hoped it could be. Oh.
Very dusty in here.
Oh yeah, got a lot. Take a look.
Dang. That's crazy. Wow. It looks like a totally different place just by removing the floor. Dave, you got all the packing things out too?
Most of them. There's one up there that I gotta get.
That's insane.
After dancing around it for a few hours,
You're just gonna cut straight through this?
Yeah.
it was time to cut the beams.
There she is.
That's crazy. Wow.
Now that the second level was gone and most of the demolition was done, it was time to start building our new layout.